Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has been camping here. In fact, for the last 3 days, this is the bus in which he has been camping and holding meetings with officials, traveling in the districts, coming back, taking aerial tours, coming back. After a review meeting with some 200 officials, Naidu wants to find out firsthand the ground realities. With the Chief Minister camping here at the Visakhapatnam Collectorate for the last 5 days, this place in fact is buzzing with activity. There is police personnel deployed everywhere. There are officials coming in and out. They have to report to the Chief Minister every day at 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. There are review meetings in which he finds out what has been the progress with the various activities and tasks that have been assigned to them.
మీరు బాగా చేసినారు అనే మాట నేను ప్రజల దగ్గర నుంచి వినిపించుకునే దానికోసం మా కలెక్టర్లు బాగా పని చేసినారు, బాగా సంతోషంగా ప్రజలు ఉన్నారు అన్న మాట ప్రజల దగ్గర నుంచి వినడం కోసం, ఆ సంతోషాన్ని మీతో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం కోసం నేను మీ దగ్గరికి వస్తా.